Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Monopoly Go on your iOS device. To download and install Monopoly Go on your iPhone, first of all, go ahead and locate the App Store icon on your home screen and tap on it. Now go to the search box at the top and type in Monopoly Go. From the search result, find the Monopoly Go application, which looks like this, and tap on the Get or the Download icon. You may need to authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password. The game will begin downloading and installing automatically. Once done, tap on the Open button to launch Open Monopoly Go on your mobile device. Monopoly Go is a modern twist on classic board game, bringing the thrill of property trading and strategic gameplay to your fingertips. Now you can easily start playing Monopoly Go on your iOS device. So that is how you easily do it. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech for Gamers for more Monopoly Go tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.